Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Hello. Welcome to English Grammar Crash Course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about may versus might. What is may versus might?
May versus might. May applies to situations that are possible or could be possible. Might applies to situations with less probability, hypothetical, and counterfactual situations. Might is also the past tense of may. May and might have several uses. 1. May and might when expressing possibility. May is used to express what is possible. For example,
She may lose her job. May.
she may lose her job.
We may go to New York. May.
We may go to New York.
I may have snack after breakfast. May.
I may have snack after breakfast.
Matthew may still be sad after he failed the exam. May.
Matthew may still be sad after he failed the exam.
Sophie's smart that I think she may win the Quiz Bee contest. May.
Sophie's smart that I think she may win the Quiz Bee contest. Might is used to express what is hypothetical or remotely possible. For example,
If you don't hurry, you might get late. Might.
if you don't hurry, you might get late.
If I'm not always late, I might have gotten a higher grade. Might.
If I'm not always late, I might have got a higher grade.
If I win the bet, I might throw a party. Might.
If I win the bet, I might throw a party.
It might rain later. Might.
It might rain later.
She might be late tomorrow. Might.
She might be late tomorrow. In the given examples, the difference between may and might when expressing possibility is may deals with situations that are possible to happen in the future, and might deals with situations that did not actually happen. 2. May. When asking permission. When asking for permission, may is much more common than might. For example,
May I sit next to you? May.
May I sit next to you?
May I borrow your book? May.
May I borrow your book?
May I go to the restroom? May.
May I go to the restroom?
May I go to the movie house tonight? May.
May I go to the movie house tonight?
May I park my car in front of the gate? May.
May I park my car in front of the gate? 3. May. When expressing wishes. When expressing wishes, only may is used. For example,
May you live an abundant and happy life. May.
may you live an abundant and happy life.
May the new year bring you success and happiness. May.
May the new year bring you success and happiness.
May all your wishes come true. May.
May all your wishes come true.
May you give her pure happiness. May.
May you give her pure happiness.
May you love her with all your heart. May.
May you love her with all your heart.
Let's test your knowledge.
Choose the letter of the correct answer.
1. Blank, God have mercy on your soul. A. May. B. Might. The correct answer is letter A. May. May God have mercy on your soul. 2. The teacher says we blank leave when we've finished. A. May. B. Might. The correct answer is letter A. May. The teacher says we may leave when we've finished. 3. You blank have told me earlier. A. May. B. Might. The correct answer is letter B. Might. You might have told me earlier. 4. Matthew blank able to help you. A. May. B. Might. The correct answer is letter A. May. Matthew may be able to help you. 5. Sophie blank have to sell her house and lot to pay her debts. A. May. B. Might. The correct answer is letter B. Might. Sophie might have to sell her house and lot to pay her debts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.